What's up guys, I'll be doing a quick review on the GR8FLEX EZ Curl Bar. This is a great option to add to your total gym or just sliding bench in general. I've had this specific item for about 2 years now, so we'll go over the integrity of it and how it's held up over those 2 years. You can find this item on Amazon.com for $39.99, and if you're looking for a discounted price, there's open box discounted items under the other sellers area. I'll go over the dimensions of this item, and then we'll do a product test and go over some exercises with it. So let's get started. The material of the bar itself is metal, and as I pull back the padded grip, you can see the chrome finish and a little bit of rust on there. The padded grip is really good material as it's difficult for me to make an indentation on there. It comes equipped with an internal hex bolt, a carabiner clip, and a cable. And from my understanding, the only thing plastic on this piece of equipment is the cover on this cable itself. Here's a close-up of the carabiner clip, and it springs back in action as designed, along with the internal hex bolt above it. And a close look of the whole bar itself. I've had it for 2 years, as I mentioned. It's really hasn't scuffed at all and held up just nicely. So let's move on to some dimensions. The bar itself measures in length about 30¼ inches. The two carabiner clips measure at 3 inches in length. The diameter of the bar itself is 1¼ inch, and from the bar to the edge of the cable, you're looking at about 10 inches. So here's a little how-to of connecting your EZ Curl Bar to your machine. I added 2 carabiner clips to my machine. It makes it really easy to add and remove attachments as needed. Here's one last dimension to consider. From the center of the bar to the pulley is 21 inches. Alright, we'll go ahead and do a performance test. Here's a few exercises that you can perform with this product. Like I mentioned, this is a nice attachment to consider for your total gym or just sliding bench in general. It's also good for heavy lifting, and it's easy on the wrist as well when you're exercising with it. If you have any questions, reach me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, God bless.